Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Whenever you find yourself useless, just remember that your body is worth millions of dollars. In black market, human organs are sold on very high rates and are also legal to sale. In a research, it is said that total organs and chemicals are worth more than $45 million of human body. In this video we will look at the price of human organs. 1. Heart. In US legal price for heart is $1 million. 2. Livers are on second with price tag of $557,000. 3. The price of kidney in US is $262,000 both. Human skin cost $10 per inch and price of stomach is $500. The legal price for an eyeball is $1,500. Surprisingly, you can sell 5 feet of hairs for about $5,000. Plasma is also sell worldwide for about $30 to $40 per one donation. For those unfamiliar, selling plasma is entirely different than what you can expect when you show up at a local blood drive to donate. You should consider donating blood to a reputable organization. The scam of donation are increasing day by day. At the end, I should tell you that a dead human body can be sold for $550,000. If you find video interesting, then like video and subscribe channel for more videos.